Hey, this video, what we are going to see is, which is about VPC peering. So, okay, what is VPC peering is? So, assume that we do have two different VPCs. So, as you know that VPC is an isolated thing and which is private. So, because of security, we couldn't able to communicate one VPC with the other VPC. So, how to get the connection between these two VPCs? There comes the VPC peering. So assume that we have given a picture over here. So we have two VPCs. One is VPC green and the other one is VPC red. So VPC green has a public and private instance, and VPC red has a private instance. So uh, how to connect this VPC red to VPC green? So that's where this VPC peering we are going to check it. So okay, let's go into the session. Okay. So first thing is I'm going to create a VPC. We need two VPCs. So for understanding terminology, I'm using the same name. VPC green. So we'll give this 16. Okay, VPC created, and one more VPC. VPC red. The 201 will take it here. 200 and 201. Next thing is once VPC is two VPCs are created, one is VPC red and the other one is VPC green. Okay. So now the next thing is we are going to create as usual for VPC we need subnets, route tables, and for public VPC we need to have a internet gateway. So all we are going to create. So first subnets. This is for which VPC I'm going to create for green. So VPC green public. So here I'm going to choose East 1A and then 200.1.0/24. So I have created a subnet. So why I have created East 1A zone is generally VPC peering will be free for the same availability zone. So I'm going to create another subnet for the same green environment. I'm going to create one private. Green private, same availability zone, because for the different availability zone they are charging as per block. Not 1.2.0/24. So we have created two VPs, two subnets. Okay, now next thing is I'm going to create a route table. So route table for green, route table for green, for which one? Green. Create route table is done. Next is same route table. So route table for green now, which is for private. Route table for green, private. So here, so what we did, okay, here there is one thing which we missed. So okay, VPC green, private, VPC green, public we created, but we forgot to create VPC red. Okay, so subnet for VPC red private, which is also in the same availability zone. We have to give turn to not on dot 0/24. So 2 not so 1x/ is extra. So subnet, all the three subnets are done. So to recap you, so for green, the two subnets, and for red, one subnet I created. The same way we need to create route table. So route table for green, public here, route table, green, public. Okay, so now one more route table is route table red private, for which VPC red. So okay. So now all the route table has a only local connection. Okay, so now next thing is what we are going to do is we are going to add one internet gateway. So internet gateway for public. Okay, so internet gateway for green public instance. Okay. So now I'm going to use the subnets. So we need to associate for each of the subnets. Okay, so first VPC green public, what I'm going to add is I'm going to create a route table, edit route table, so not route table. So VPC route table, right? So VPC route table. So we are going to associate. So if we go route table, we can see here table association. Route table green public. So I'm going to here. We need to associate subnet association. Okay. So here I'm going to associate. So this is for public, right? So we are going to add it for VPC green public. This is the association. Okay. And then since this is a public, so we're going to add the internet gateway. Internet gateway of. Okay. So okay, let me go into that internet gateway. So whenever internet gateway is created, it will be in a detached mode. So whenever internet gateway is created, it is in a detached state. So we need to attach. for which VPC? Attached to VPC. Selective VPC is for green. So now go back to your route tables. So public route table. So already subnet association is done. Let me reconfirm. Yes, already done. So I'm going to just internet gateway only. I'm going to add. So internet gateway. So internet gateway. So now you can see internet gateway. So this is done. So first thing is done. So what about the other thing is route table private. So route table green private. So we need to, since it's a private, we are not giving any internet gateway. So only subnet association for VPC green private. And then the last one is red. For red, this is also private. So we are going to just use the subnet association only. VPC red private. Okay. So all the things are done. So we are going to create a EC2 instances. Okay. So now EC2 instances I'm going to create. So first thing is, so whenever you create an instance, if you're for VPC, you need to be remember that. Okay, so this is green public EC2. Let it be. Okay, so same Linux. I'm going to use the instance type, everything is fine. VPC public is a key. And then here I'm going to change the network settings as VPC green. Okay, VPC green public, because it's a public instance which I'm creating. Whenever the public instance, then we need to enable auto assign IP. Okay, all the things, yes, look pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so first instance is created. So we're going to create another two instances. Private green, you see. Same way, we are going to, all is fine. We are going to create VPC public key. And then network settings. So network settings is VPC green, but here VPC green private, it's correctly true also. Okay, so auto is, if it is a private, then auto assign public IP is disabled. That's correct. Then okay, so yes, all good. Okay, the last instance for red. Okay, now red private is C. Okay, all are good. Here choosing key. Then network settings, it is here VPC red, and there's only private and disabled. All looks good. So that's it. So we have created all the three. Okay, fine. Now, how many instances are up and running? Let us see. Okay. Okay, see, let me make it a unique name. Green public 2. Instead of that, I'm going making it public green 2. EC2, private green, anyway red is only private red AC. That's all cold, right? The same name. Okay. Now how many things are done? So status check is still going on. So as you know that we have created so VPC first we have what we have done is we have created a VPC got created and then subnet got created, subnet created, and then route table created, and then internet gateway created and attached with the VPC and then route table to subnet association done, and then added a internet gateway to public instance, subnet. And then finally we have created 3 EC2 instances. Make sure that all have the same availability zone because of the free time eligible. Okay, let us see that what are available. Okay, now 2 things are available, so we'll check it. Okay, so first thing is okay, we'll create a new page, or else we'll note it. Okay, so we'll note it down. So first thing is this is public key. Okay. Okay, so we'll copy this. T public subnet load. Okay, now differentiate is I'll make this color as a green. Green, then 0. Let's try to open this. Hope it comes in a green. No, it comes in a red. I'm not doing correctly. Let me public subnet load. Okay, IP address is correct. Foreground. Okay, it's in red. So I'm going for 255 to do that. Okay, it's green, right? Well and good. Okay, so we are into that. So this private IP address is displayed over here. So let me check. Since we have added internet gateway, we will check that. We will check the internet gateway. We will check the internet connectivity. Ping Google.com. Okay, so just it's maybe. So now, next thing is we are going to connect to the private green. So private green is that of IP address. This one. Private red transparency just of IP address. This one. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. So where we are at this? Okay. Let me connect. Since you know that we are into this private EC2 through public. If you wanted to connect, we can connect it. So let me, first thing is we will ping that SSH at, that is SSH EC2 user and okay, so it is asking authenticity. So I'm going to continue yes. So it says the permission denied. So I'm going to add a va demo.pem and then yes, demo.pem. Yes. So now I have to add a temp file. So VPC public is my empty file. I'm going to copy this and put it here and paste it, colon WQ, which will be added. Yes, done. Now we have to change the permission. Change permission. File is needed. Demo.pm. Good. Now I'm going to that SSH -i demo pm ec2-user @10.200.2.229. So the correct IP address. Let me confirm. Yes. Yes, we are into the 10.200. Okay. So you can see the cursor place 10.200.2.229 or else here you can see. Okay. Else. So yeah, all good. Okay, from here we will try to ping this another VPC. See, we are unable to connect it. So from the internet connectivity, where is that? Let's try that as well. So we came out from 229. So the connection closed for 229. Now I'm going to try from 225. Oh. See, our internet connectivity is so that, but still we are unable to connect it. Okay, fine. So now how we are going to connect it? So that's where this VPC peering comes. So okay, now we are going to do VPC VPC here. Okay, here peering connection is there. So create peering connection. So VPC for green to red. So who is the requester is? Green is the requester. And acceptor is green. Sorry, red. Okay, so we have connected. So before that, let's a few more things we can do. So see, VPC you can do for your same account with different availability zones. Okay, see here my account, I can choose another region as well. Okay, and you can choose another account on the same region or another region. Okay, see, if you click another account, you have to give the uh, account ID of the other account, and is it the same region or another region that you have to give. Okay, so currently I'm going to do for my account only. So okay, my account on the same region because of chargeable. Okay, so I'm going to the acceptor is red. Okay, so is all good. Okay, this is green to red. VPC requester is green and acceptor is so red. Okay, create cancel. Okay, see here pending acceptance. See, you can accept or reject, and you can see that here you can see, right, you have until Friday, July 5/31. It's exactly 7 days it will be available. So after that it will automatically expires. Otherwise it expires. Okay. So let me tell you that life cycle at the end. But here this is, you can accept or reject. So I'm going to accept. So before that, one more thing actually. So you can accept or reject, or the whoever the initiator, right? So you can delete as well. Okay. So accept. I'm going to accept it. It's good. Now, once it is being accepted, we have to go for route tables. Okay. So route tables, I'm going to go for route table, green public, edit routes, add route to, this is 1000 from uh, green, from red if it is coming. So from red, if it is coming, then we have to go for peering. See, save changes. Okay. Same for here. Plus we do have two instances in green. From red, if it is coming, go to peering. Okay, good. From green, it is coming. So then the vice versa, we have to, if you wanted to ping the other way, it is here also in. Okay, so here both way we have enabled. Okay, so it looks like that we have good. Let me connect. Good. Let me duplicate the session. C2 user. Okay, now to 10.201.25. Let me try to ping the red VPN. Sorry, red VPC VPN address. Okay, so it is not coming. Now SSH EC2 hyphen user at the rate. See, it is asking you to connect. So I'm going to connect it. Okay, permission denied. So already we do have a demo.pem key, it is there. So same key was used for this instance as well. So I'm going to use that one. So SSH -i demo.pem c2-user @ 10.201.1.139. 139. See, we are in here, right? So we are already there in 201.139. Okay, so let me try from here to that. So from here, we will try to connect the green instances of private. Okay, so here we are there. So now next thing is we are going to ping from here to that green private instance. Okay, so green private instance I'm going to create. So I'm just going to ping EC2 -user @ 10.200.2.229. Is it correct? Yes. Yes. So it is permission denied. That means no key here. So I'm going to create a key va demo.pm. So now I'm going to copy the same key, copy, paste, colon, wq. It is done. Now I'm going to change permission for that demo file. So let me try to connect from demo.pm ac2-user @ 10.200.2.229. See, we are able to connect. So that means from red private instance to green private instances is connected. So the vice versa, let me try. Let me open through other putty. So here, how exactly we did this? We have connected through. See, if you wanted to show that, see, first machine, first public IP we have connected, and then, okay, so we have tried to connect 10.201. That means red VPC we have tried to connect. So it was asking permission denied. So we have added a key. So we are able to successfully logged into that 201 subnet. Now we are in 200 seconds. That means from red to green we have connected, right? So the same way from private instead of green to red, whether we are able to connect it or not. Let's try. Okay, let me try. So forget about the colors, just sorry. So first I'm going to connect. See 10.200.225. That is a public instance which is connected. Now I'm going to connect. Yes. SSH -i demo.pm EC2 user @ 10.200.2.229. That means private instance of green. So we have connected. So now we try to connect for SSH EC2 at the rate 10.201.1.139. So it says, or you want to connect, continue connecting? Yes. Permission denied. So we need a key. VA demo.pm. Need a key. Need a key. Colon WQ. It's done. So SSH change permission need to do, right? Change permission 400 demo.pm SSH -i demo.pm EC2-user at 10.201.1.139. See, we are. Let us see this one. Vim notepad node.txt. So wait one second. Okay. Okay, we are here. Okay, vim node.txt. So just okay. Now we'll try to see whatever that note text we added here, right? We have it is coming here. Cat node.txt. Okay, so whatever is pasted, right? Everything is displayed. Okay, that's it. So we can connect from red to green, green to red as well. Okay, so this is the overall VPC peering. Okay, so what is the life cycle that I told? Okay, so this is the life cycle. So, okay, so just forgot to tell you that since my account and on the same availability zone, we are getting the accept. We are accepting it from here itself, right? From this same region itself. So how about if I'm choosing the another availability zone? Means once you created is the peering connection to that region, right? You have to go to that region, then you have to accept it. So this is when availability zone is different. But how about when account is different? So since it is a my account, I am accepting here. If it is a different account, assume that mine is account 1, I am requesting for account 2. So the acceptor should accept in the account 2. So whenever availability zone changes, you have to go to that availability zone and accept it. Account itself changes, then you have to log into that account and you have to accept it. So that's the only thing. Okay, the next thing is what is this? Life cycle, right? So okay, whenever you initiating a request, so there might be a chances of failing. So if it is getting failed, then it will be visible for you, whoever has requested, so that it will be after 2 hours, it will no longer visible. So whenever the initiating request is, you saw that, right? Pending acceptance. So if pending acceptance, if not accepted in 7 days, it will expire. That also we have seen the notification on that, right? So it will expire. Okay, so that's once it is expired, for both of them, requester and acceptor, for both of them, it will be available for 2 days after expired, and after that it will be no longer available. And then see, you got a pending acceptance and it is got accepted. So once it is accepted, you can see it is an active state. See, you can see the active state, right? So once it is getting accepted, you can see the active state. So you can reject as well, right? It's not necessary to accept, you can reject. So if it is been rejected, see, as from account 1 I'm requesting and account 2 is rejecting it. So for me, that means whoever has requested, it will be display for, it will be visible for 2 days, and whoever is accepted, it will be visible for 2 hours. After that, it will not, it will no longer visible. Okay, so I showed, right, the person whoever request, right, once the request has been submitted, he can deleting the peer connection as well. So that is also, it will be available for 2 hours for the request. So that's the case, but generally accept and reject, you can, the requester can delete as well. Okay, so that's the thing. So once it is active, so after that, if you delete it, right, so it will show you that deleted, but it will be see, the thing is, person whoever deletes, right, see, I'm account 1, account 2 is there. If account 1 deletes, then it will be available for 2 hours. After that, it will no longer visible for account 1, and the 2 days for the other party. So the person whoever initiates the delete will be visible for 2 hours. The other party will be available for 2 days. After that, it will be no longer visible. So that's the overall life cycle. Okay. I guess that's it for VPC. So generally VPC, one more thing which I wanted to tell is it's a spoke model. It is kind of wheel model. So VPCA, okay, just one more thing. VPC, see, assume that one more VPC is there. This is assume that VPC orange. Let us VPC. So assume that this is VPC orange or other color. Okay, so VPC green and VPC red are connected, and VPC red and VPC other are connected. That means I mean, A is connected to B and B is connected to C. That means A is a friend of C. It is not the case. It is a strictly green and red can only communicate, and even though red is associated with red has a connection with the other, but still green couldn't able to connect with the other. So it's a spoke model. So whoever, it's a one-to-one relationship. Where we cannot have a one more. So if VPC green and red is connected and red is connected to other means, still red can only connect it to other. Green cannot access this others just because of it is connected to red. So that's the thing. Okay, thank you guys.